my best friend, my dearest love. For everyone's information, he's a very sweet love. Yeah, he remained the sweetest 30 years ago up to the present. He did not change. Kahit na size ko ngayon 2XL. Naging 3XL ako, 2XL, 1XL. He loves me parang I'm 36, 24, 36. Yeah, true. Pero hindi nyo alam, no? Hindi halata. Parang wine, habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. Diba? Yeah, I praise God that I have a husband like him. Kidding aside, today is a memorable day because Adam turned 70. Dali, nag-emote ako. And as his wife, I would like to honor him and thank Adam for being a good husband, very loving, faithful, and generous. Lahat binigay na niya sa akin. Lahat na. And a very good provider for, as a father.
Lahat kinuha niya sa akin.
Sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa kanya, I'm sure you will agree, he's a faithful messenger. Kaya madalas napapapangalan siyang pastor. Kahit na dati sa tindahan namin, people thought he's a pastor. Kasi we have Bible tracts and talagang he will find time to share God's words. Kahit na pasimple lang, he's sharing talaga. Kaya minsan, he sounds so quiet. But it's because he loves people. It's out of love. He cares for each one of you. Kaya huwag kayo alis ha. Kasi he will give a message. You all should stay. Papasara ko yung gate sa baba. Walang pwede lumabas. So, as you reach the level, shuffle, okay. As you reach the level of 7 stars, I pray that God will continue to bless you with good, healthy body and a long, long life. Para naman on my 80th birthday, it's your turn to give me a speech. I love you. Wait, lahat ka na manood na. One time lang namin gagawin ito. One time. Game. Oh, gusto.
More.
Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.